Do you want to lose weight but struggle with cravings and hunger? Your gut bacteria may be the key. Your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, which play a crucial role in your digestion, immune system, and even your mood. By improving your gut health, you can not only shed those extra pounds but also feel more energized and healthier overall. So, what are the steps to improve your gut microbiome and lose weight? Here are 5 evidence-based tips. Step 1. Eat a variety of fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for gut health because it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Eating a diverse range of fiber-rich foods, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains, can promote the growth of a healthy microbiome. Aim for at least 25 grams of fiber per day, and gradually increase it to 30 to 40 grams for optimal gut health. Tip: experiment with different types of fiber-rich foods and recipes to keep your meals interesting and satisfying. Step 2. Include fermented foods in your diet. Fermented foods, such as yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha, contain live bacteria that can populate your gut and improve its diversity. They also promote the production of short-chain fatty acids, which have been linked to weight loss and better blood sugar control. Tip: try making your own fermented foods at home for a fun and healthy DIY project. Step 3. Minimize your intake of processed and sugary foods. Processed and sugary foods can disrupt the balance of your gut bacteria, leading to inflammation, insulin resistance, and weight gain. Limit your intake of these foods and opt for whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. Tip: use natural sweeteners, such as fruit, dates, or honey, to satisfy your sweet tooth without harming your gut. Step 4. Manage stress. Stress can have a negative impact on your gut health by altering the composition and function of your microbiome. Practice stress management techniques, such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing, to keep your stress levels in check and support your gut health. Tip: make self-care a priority and schedule regular relaxation time in your day. Step 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep is crucial for gut health because it affects the balance of your hormones and your immune system, both of which are linked to your microbiome. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep per night to support your gut health and weight loss goals. Tip: establish a relaxing bedtime routine and avoid using electronic devices before bed to promote better sleep. While following these steps can greatly improve your gut health and aid in weight loss. It's important to be aware of the lesser-known mistakes that can negatively affect your gut microbiome. 1. Overuse of antibiotics. While antibiotics can be life-saving medications, overuse can disrupt the delicate balance of the gut bacteria. 2. Lack of exercise. Regular exercise has been shown to improve gut health and aid in weight loss. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. Drinking too much alcohol can negatively impact the gut microbiome and lead to weight gain. 4. Chronic use of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like aspirin and ibuprofen. These medications can damage the lining of the gut and disrupt the balance of gut bacteria. 5. Overuse of artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners can alter the composition of the gut microbiome, leading to inflammation and other health issues. By avoiding these mistakes and following the steps outlined in this video, you can greatly improve your gut microbiome and achieve your weight loss goals in a healthy and sustainable way.